Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Zoho easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Type Zoho in the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official Zoho website link in the search results. Once the Zoho homepage loads, locate the sign up or login button at the top right corner. If you are a new user, click on sign up to create an account. Fill in the required fields with your personal information. Choose a secure password and select your country code. After entering your details, click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You may be asked to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Zoho. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. If you're an existing user, simply click on Login. Enter your registered email address and password. Click on the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate through the dashboard to find the services you need. Explore various Zoho applications available choose the application that suits your business needs. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up the chosen application. You may need to integrate it with other tools or import your data. Take the time to customize settings according to your preferences. If needed, refer to the Help section for specific guidance. After setting up, familiarize yourself with the user interface. Begin using Zoho to streamline your tasks and enhance productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.